Good morning, guys. It is day 2. We are currently in Kobe. We're off to the gym. It's a pretty early event. It starts at 11. This is the room. It is a mess, so I'm not going to get into the fine details, but we got 2 beds, standard washroom, TV, a little balcony view, not of too much. I'll catch y'all when we head to the venue. The jam is about to start in 1 hour. We have a little bit of time to explore Kobe while it's still sunny. I don't think it's gonna. Oh my God! Look, do you see like the rainbow around the sun? Whoa! I don't know if can you hold this for a second? I don't know if you guys can see it, but do you kind of see that circle?
Upside down.
Whoa!
You can see
Yeah? Cool. I hope you guys could see that because it's amazing. Maybe because I also have my sunglasses on, so I'm able to look up. Check this out. Put these on, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Right? You see it, right? Like, clearly. Let's see what we can find. Hi. You really definitely look. Guys, it's a double rainbow. That is crazy. There's one near the sun and then one under it. And there's probably a good reason why nobody else is sitting here, because these steps are so hot from the sun. Beautiful day though. Alright guys, we're gonna give this one another shot under the sprinklers. Hopefully. And it stopped. Wait, did you guys at least see that there was sprinklers? Did you get that? Was it not? Wow, so now you guys think I'm lying. Never mind that, okay? Well, there was sprinklers here, and I was gonna walk under, but what a fail.
Don't mind. っていうものを知らずにウィンドミルをやりたくて勝さんに出会ったくらい自分の中に知識がない状態で、もともと自分がヒップホップやってた時から選抜クラスとかそういう厳しく返してくれるのが勝さんかなって思います。だからいいと思う。勝さんの魅力でもあるし、他の子も
All he did was run up 16.
Just to give you my phone, I was searching for my phone.
Alright guys, the jam is over. It was a great event. I honestly feel it might be one of the best breaking jams I've ever been to in Japan.
Me too.
By far.
Super good.
The vibe was good, the level was also really good.
And there's so many variety style.
Variety, there was performances, a very
Younger generation to older generation.
ciphers, the music was on point.
Kids was cute.
Kids were really cute, the vibe, it really felt like a community event, but like still really high level. Yeah, and it was pretty packed until the end as well, which I liked. Other than the event, I also had a great day because I pretty much explored. I did some shopping. I bought one thing, not shopping, I bought one thing. And I will show you that tomorrow. If it dries in time, I might actually wear it. But yeah, right now we're at a Vietnamese restaurant, Ami's favorite.
I ordered buncha.
And I got a pho ga, guys, chicken in Vietnamese. I got a chicken pho.
And the coconut water.
Coconut water, and we're sharing spring rolls.
Hi, psycho.
Looking forward to it. The event was pretty long. I wasn't there for the entire day, but we got there at 1,
11 there.
11, and it ended at what time?
9.
Yeah, so from 11 to 9. She stayed there all day, so
とてもtired.
she's probably
But
really
it
tired.
was fun.
Yeah, it was a great event.
Coconut water. Good for baby, you said, no?
Yeah, it is good for the baby. I don't know how accurate Instagram is, but I heard that during your pregnancy, if you drink coconut water, you have more calm and relaxed babies. I hope that's the case because
We have ADHD.
I also need sleep.
We need a calm. We need a calm baby. 美味しいね。
Calm baby.
Calm.
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 Calm baby.
Calm baby. Same じゃない。Calm.
Calm.
How to spell?
C-A-L-M.
Calm. Calm.
Not cum baby. That's disgusting.
But actually,
Disgusting.
it is. とても美味しい。I miss Vietnam very much.
So, if there's any organizers out in Vietnam and you guys are looking for judges, workshops, battle guests, you know who to
Please.
invite.
Please.
But you're gonna have to invite 3 of us because we're gonna bring our kid. We have to bring our kid.
Please.
We're down.
Best buncha in Japan.
Yeah.
This is my first time eating buncha in Japan.
So it has to be your best one.
ざいます。
Yes.
うるせえな。
I want to enjoy the broth. Ooh, it's like a Vietnamese skillet. Maybe get a higher class.
quên bà.
Bị bỏ ấy rồi.
Quên đi một bà. 美味しいでしょ。
This is pretty bomb. I've only had good food in Kobe so far.
あれでしょ、this restaurant is in Tokyo.
We probably come more often.
Perfect.
I wanna try Kobe beef.
Kobe beef. Alright.
1500だから。
Alright, if you guys know anything about Kobe, they're famous for their Wagyu beef. So why is it called Kobe beef? I always thought it was just because we're in Kobe.
Grown differently, I think.
And that's why it's called Kobe?
How? はい。
Wasabi is also really good. It's like really good. That was really, really good. The wasabi hit me in the back of my head. That was crazy. I was actually starting to tear. First things first, y'all already know it wouldn't be a vlog without coffee. That is exactly what we're gonna do right now. Some real coffee, not no Starbucks today. We're going fancy. Hopefully a little pour over, maybe a cold brew. Let's get caffeinated. Also, update, Ami's stomach is also growing. I can really see a baby buff now. So.
I cannot wear both one.
It's like sweet potato.
ブルレ。スイートポテトブルレ。
Sweet potato brulee? Oh my god.
あ、ほら。ポテトドーナツ。ドライかも。
The brulee looks good though.
シンプル。
Ooh. Well, I will say, we have to come back this way because our luggage is still at the hotel. So there is a chance that you might see that in the vlog. So Ami just read up on Kobe beef, and yeah, what did you find?
はい。Kobe beef is the beef
Mm-hmm.
growing up in Hyogo Prefecture, which is like prefecture Kobe.
Mm-hmm.
And then the name is Tajima Ushi.
Mm-hmm.
And then those beef is passed the most difficult test, the quality test in Japan. Most difficult quality test in Japan. So yummy. Scientifically yummy. Like how much the oil have and those stuff.
So is it Kobe beef because it's Wagyu, or is that completely
It's Wagyu.
different?
Wagyu. In the Wagyu. Wagyu
Ah.
means Japanese beef. And
Ah.
in the Wagyu there is Kobe beef.
Ah.
はい。
guys, this is day 2 in Kobe. I'm also eating burgers for the 7th time this trip, 2 days in a row. I'm definitely gonna need to run a little bit when I get back home. But this is life, you gotta enjoy it as well, right? Apparently, this place has won Japanese Burger Championship. I tried to come in yesterday actually, but the line was way too long, so I decided to go to the other spot, which was fine, but seeing that we were here and we're passing this area, I was like, let's see if we can try it. We did wait, kind of long actually, like 20 minutes? 20-30 minutes. Hopefully it's worth the wait. I love burgers, so it's probably going to be worth the wait, I hope. Guys, Ami got the homemade ginger ale. This is the best ginger ale I've ever tasted in my entire life.
Cinnamon.
So good. I didn't even know you could make it like that. Wow. Already a plus. I am assuming that's just like a local salt that they have here. Surugabe salt.
I never heard of it.
That's cool though. I guess they really take pride in like how they make their burgers.
We are going to Nunobiki Falls.
That way.
Japan's top 3 waterfall in Japan.
Really?
Not to the size だと思うよ。More like
The beauty?
I'm
The way it
not
looks?
sure. I need to search. But I was peeing before I come here.
Ah.
I wanted to come.
Okay. Setonakai National Park.
あ、書いてあるでしょ。300 waterfall.
100 best waterfalls in Japan.
So big.
It's a collective term
It's in three
for these
something.
4 waterfalls. Okay, okay.
It's gonna be good. I like waterfalls.
We love waterfalls. I wish I had vlogged when we went to Bali. I don't know why. Honestly, I feel like there was just so much this year, so much traveling this year that I didn't vlog, and I wish I had vlogged, and I'm kind of beating myself over not vlogging. But here you guys are with the new vlog.
Go to waterfalls.
A god waterfall.
Japan 3 big waterfalls.
All right.
Maybe this stuff is better in the nature. This one 夫婦立ちでしょ。
Hi.
It means husband and wife.
Okay, we gotta go there then.
はい、so we go this. ここ。
All right. Can you guys see me? Is it just my head that's floating? Because you know I got that camo real tree on today. This is what I thrifted yesterday actually. Vintage, I think it's like 1991 vintage real tree. Cool! Yeah?
You can see bottom.
すごい, yeah, you could.
Fish, small fish, you see? ほら。
Oh, I see it. Wow.
There's more. ほら。
Yeah, yeah.
Fish. 綺麗ですね。うわー。
Can you explain to the vlog what this stuff is?
More like for God, like
The gods and stuff like that?
temple style だと思う。
And I see like
I
a,
used to do this like fire and then
yeah, like candles, and people put like sometimes like alcohol, cigarettes. I think it's just like an offering to the gods or like the spirits and stuff like that. I think if you ring the spell, all the spirits are gonna come out. You should ring it.
Not if you try to touch us.
Yeah, don't ring it, don't ring it. Don't ring it.
Don't take the leaf in the shadow. I found his friend, Team Orange T-shirt.